Welcome to week 3. This week we will be looking at factors associated with second language learning. You will read chapter 3 and 2 websites. There's an optional website, several videos which you will use in your discussion, and there are 2 discussions and a quiz this week. In the first discussion, you will post your group progressive project follow-up. So the paper that your group submitted with the arguments will be uploaded into the discussion board. Only one person needs to upload it from each group into the discussion board. Everyone then needs to comment on 3 different groups. So the 3 posts you will have will be for your 3 sections of 10 points per the rubric. So please have your initial, someone in your group needs to have your initial up by Wednesday, but generally we're looking for the 3 comments on those group projects due by Sunday. If you have any questions on that, please reach out and ask. The second discussion will have you reflecting on these questions here, and you will need to watch the videos and look at some of the readings for this week to answer those questions thoroughly. These questions do need to be answered and uploaded by Wednesday in your initial post, and then please make sure you respond to 2 other people's posts by Sunday. And lastly, there's a quiz. If you have any questions, please reach out. We're happy to help you.